My doctor recommended that I try grounding, and this is what happened. If you're into natural healing, better sleep, or you just feel drained all the time, listen to this. I tried something that changed my life, and it's so simple. It's a grounding bedsheet. I was constantly struggling with inflammation, fatigue, stress. That's all this orange, red and yellow, yeah. My sleep was terrible. I felt inflamed, wired and completely out of sync. But after only a few nights of sleeping grounded, I started waking up refreshed, like really refreshed. As you can see, all the red and orange is gone. And grounding connects your body to the earth's natural energy by plugging into the grounding port in your wall over here. Look, this isn't some weird new trend. Backed up by science, as shown over here in this article over here on the National Library of Medicine, where they talk about grounding and how it heals your body. In South Africa, we are constantly exposed to stress, EMFs, and poor sleep habits. This shit helps to reset your nervous system naturally. No pills, no effort, just plug in and rest. Barely care about your health and you're ready to feel like yourself again. This is 100% worth it. I got mine from groundedforlife.co.za and I'll never sleep without it again. So shop now to get yours below.